Josh from Team SAS, and here's an unboxing for you today. Got an order off AirsoftClub.com. I've been ordering off of them for quite a while, but I just haven't got to do unboxings on this. So just got a couple things to tie up my loadout, and I'm gonna unbox them, and here we go. I ordered this last Tuesday, and today is this Wednesday, so pretty nice turnaround time since it was airmail from China. So, bag. Let's see what I got. So, I got a free gift. Looks like. Got an American flag Velcro patch, so it's a nice touch. Goggles, I did not know it would come with this case. That's very nice. 3 lenses. Looks like we have the dark one in right now. These look pretty nice. 19 bucks. Yeah, these look really nice. Very cool. 19 bucks. It also comes with 2 exchangeable lenses, yellow and white. Oakley hard knuckle gloves. What I got. Let me try these on. I've been waiting to get these for so long. Looks like they'll fit. Yes, they fit perfectly. These are nice. These are really nice, actually. Nice hard knuckle. These are a lot nicer than I expected. Really nice quality. We'll do reviews on all of this stuff. So I got those. And finally, I got a Desert Shemagh right here, which will also help my kit. And a black balaclava. I really didn't see any purpose for this, but it was $3, and it looked like, it's $3. I might as well just get it. So that's pretty much it. As I said, this whole order was $50 off of Airsoft Club. These goggles were $20. These were also $20. This was $8, and this was $3, and the shipping was $20. So this has been Josh from Team SAS. Thanks for watching.